Hello everyone. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to read coordinates in all the four quadrants of a Cartesian plane. Okay, first of all, let me remind you that this horizontal number line is called the x-axis. This vertical number line is called the y-axis. Um, the coordinates, however, should be written in the form x, comma y. X comma y, since the first number should be taken from the x-axis, the second number should be taken from the y-axis. Okay, so let us start with the point A. We have to write down its coordinate. So first we have to find the value on the x-axis, okay, always starting from the origin. Okay, so now the origin is here, okay, at this yellow dot. Here the origin meaning 0. Okay, therefore you have to start reading from the origin, the 0 point, and move along the x-axis. Okay, the first step. So A is on this side, so first you have to move to the left. Okay, so -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, so the first number is -4 on the x-axis, and then you have to go up to get to A. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and there you can find the value of 3 on the y-axis. Okay, so your first coordinate here of A, the location of A on this Cartesian plane is -4. Okay, he moved -4 to the left from the origin and went up 3 spaces. Okay, so let's move on to point B. Now the coordinate B, okay, always start from the 0 position. First move on the x-axis, so moving on the x-axis, you can use your finger or your pen, okay, to move along the numbers. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay, you see here, he touched the -5 on the x-axis, and he went down 2 spaces. He went down 2 spaces, so -1 and -2. You see here, it's -2. Therefore, the y point here is -2. Okay? And there you have your coordinate explaining the location of B. Now let's move on to C, which is up here, the first quadrant. So we move again, we start from the origin, we move along the x-axis, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and we go up on the y-axis, 1, 2, 3. So he moved 4 to the right, 4, comma, 1, 2, 3, and 3 up. Okay. Letter D, which is here. Okay. Start um, at the 0 position, and then we have to go up. So move along the x-axis first. Okay. So -5, and then he went up 4 up. Okay. You see here 4. So -5 to the left on the x-axis and 4 up. So -5 and 4. Let me remind you the trick I have taught you in the last video. You can always draw a dotted line, 2 dotted lines actually, coming out from the point, okay? And they should touch. One should touch the x-axis and the other one should touch the y-axis. And if you see here, the x-axis, he touched it at -5, and here we have -5 written, and point D touched the y-axis at 4, and here we have 4. Okay, so that is for you, if you need to try it out as well. Now we have letter E, which is here. Okay, first you start from the origin, you move along the x-axis, so -1, -1 to the left, and he went down 1. Okay, therefore -1 to the left and -1 down. You can check again by using the dotted line to make it simpler for you. Okay, take out two dotted lines coming out from your point. Okay, now if you see here, you can see that on the x-axis it touched -1. Okay, therefore -1 is here. And on the y-axis, which is this number line, he touched it at -1 as well. You see, -1, -1. Okay, letter F. So F is down here. First we move along the x-axis, -5, and then he went down -4. So -5, okay, he went -5 to the left from the origin, and he went down 1, 2, 3, 4. He went down -4. Okay, all right. So next one, let me remove these for you. Okay, so we have letter G now. G. So G is here. First, you have to move along the x-axis. Okay, so 3, comma. You have to go up 2 squares. 3, comma 2. Okay, so 3 and 2. You can always use your finger to move along the x-axis and then you count how many boxes you went up. Now, letter H, just here, move along the x-axis, okay, from the origin. So -3 left, therefore we have -3, comma, and he went up 4. Okay, last 2. So letter I is here, okay. First you have to move along the x-axis. Now, as you can see here, it didn't move neither left nor right. Therefore, he stayed on the 0 position. So x here is 0, comma, and he went down 1, 2, 3. He went down 3 squares. Okay, therefore he is on -3. Okay, last point here is J. Start from the origin, move to the left 5 boxes, so we have -5, comma, he went up 2. Okay, therefore he went up 2 squares. And there you have your coordinates. Thank you for watching.